Yo, what's good, guys? It's your boy 13 from 13.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to record or how to get the same effect as Post Malone on Psycho featuring Ty Dolla Sign. So before we get into it, drop a comment below on your favorite Post Malone tune right now. This is my personal favorite still. So drop a comment below of your your favorite Post Malone tune, and let's get into this. Here's the beat. Let's go, let's hit record, let's go. Yeah, my AP going psycho, little mama bad like Michael, can't really trust nobody, all the jewelry on you, my roof look like a no-show, diamonds by the boatload, coming with the Romo, for clowns and them bozo, AP going psycho, little mama bad like Michael, really trust nobody, with all this jewelry on you, roof look like a no-show, got diamonds by the boatload, even my friend, when you're rolling through my unzone. Oh, yeah, my diamond's so cold. No matter diamond like That sounds good. Well, other than the end part, but that's just me fucking around. So let's drag that down. Listen. Yeah, my AP going psycho. Little mama bad like Michael. Can't really trust nobody. All the jewelry on you. My roof look like a no-show. Diamonds by the boatload. Coming with the Romo for clowns and them bozo. AP going psycho. Little mama bad like Michael. Really trust nobody. With all this jewelry on you. Roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the boatload. Even my friend when you're rolling through my unzone. Yeah, my diamond's so cold. No matter diamond like So that's basically it. The song has Post Malone in this song. They use quite of like a grotty kind of sound for him. That's kind of his sound anyway. It's like a distorted kind of the bottom end of the EQ kind of taken out. It's very different to Migos, but I feel Post Malone leaves a lot of bass in his voice, whereas Migos kind of take it out with the high pass, low pass, whatever, and kind of give it to you like that. So on this Post Malone track, we've got pitch correction. Obviously, he's using T-Pain on his voice quite heavily. We've got a spread. We've got spread just kind of spreads out the vocal from left to right a little bit more, gives it a bit more width, not too much though, because we're not panning or nothing. We've got clip distortion, which is for the distortion of the vocal. We've got ensemble, which is just smooths out the edges a bit, just so it's not as rough. And we've got the EQ. I also use a bus on this track. A lot of my tracks I use a bus as well, so if you do download my pack, you're gonna notice it comes with a bus as well. Kinda don't touch this, leave this alone, only adjust this accordingly here, not too much, but more adjust this and leave these settings here. These settings are on a bus track just to giving you more root, giving you more output on a different side, just more tweak the stuff here. And then obviously he's also used a reverb, which I've got sitting on the bus here, and a delay. So if I do this, you'll be able to, if I take out the reverb and the delay, you'll hear it like, yeah, my AP going psycho, little mama bad like Michael, can't really trust no. That's with no reverb or delay. As I pull this up like this, you're gonna hear more delay. Let's hear. Yeah, my AP going psycho, little mama bad like Michael, can't trust nobody. All the jewelry on you, my roof look like a no-show. Diamonds by the boat. And this one here is the reverb. So if I adjust this, you're gonna hear it. Yeah, my AP going psycho, little mama bad like Michael, can't really trust nobody. So for this tune, you want to leave it at about 17, 16 on both. Yeah, my AP going psycho, little mama bad like Michael, can't really trust nobody. All the jewelry on you, my roof look like a no-show. Diamonds by the boatload, coming with the Romo for clowns and them bozo. AP going psycho, little mama bad like Michael, really trust nobody. With all this jewelry on you, roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the boatload, even my friend when you're rolling through my unzone. Oh, yeah, my diamond's so cold. No So yeah, that's it, literally it. Drop a comment below of your favourite Post Malone tune. Also, don't forget to head over to 13.com to check out all my other sound packs. I've got Drake there. I've got another distortion pack. I've got Chris Brown. I've got Migos. I've got a whole host. You can also get 50% off by using Tube50 at the checkout for a 50% discount off code. Yeah, that's Post Malone. I've got a few more coming up. Drop a comment below if you have any specific requests of what songs you want me to do the presets for, and I'll do them for you guys. That's your boy One Trizzy, starting at 13 beats. Peace.